I'd like to thank you for taking a few moments in your time to learn a little bit about PetroMAC and why we feel you should be doing business with us. We've been in business since 1999 and we have closed hundreds of millions of dollars in petroleum retail, specifically meaning gas stations, convenience stores, and truck stops. We don't do hotels, we don't do restaurants, we don't do multifamily. This is all we do. We have over 60 years of petroleum retail experience and commercial banking experience. Nobody can approach us in terms of the collective experience that we have in this particular sector. We will do transactions with ultimate first-time buyers. We deal with mortgage brokers, commercial realtors, business brokers, jobbers, dealers, operators, oil companies. We've done every conceivable transaction that you can imagine in doing this asset class. Some of the more important things to keep into consideration that we offer that you will not be able to find at any bank and most likely any other mortgage broker, we will assist you in negotiating your purchase agreement with the seller or with the commercial realtors. We believe right now that people are overpaying for sites, and if you're paying too much, it's going to make it more difficult to get financing. This benefit itself can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. We will also assist you in negotiating your supply agreement with the fuel supplier or with an oil company. And with the average fuel supply contract running for 10 years, this also can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. We'll also assist you in negotiating with your vendors to try and get the best terms, which can save you tens of thousands of dollars. We also assist people in preparing their business plan and in their pro forma projections that they do. If you want to get a deal slammed quick, put together a poor business plan or pro forma projections that are off. If they see that your projections are off, it tells them that you don't know what you're doing. On a more basic level, even though we are not a direct lender, we have access to hundreds of sources that we have used in the past, again, to close every conceivable transaction that you can imagine. We have done SBA financing, conventional financing, financing through insurance carriers, hedge funds, private lenders, anything, like I said, that you can imagine we have done in the past. And we know the questions that we need to ask in order to pre-qualify your package to make sure, first of all, that you're getting a good deal. There is a value of us telling you that, hey, maybe you might want to pass on this deal. This might not be so good. We know that the questions that we need to do to make the package appear more attractive to the lenders. And in our opinion, nobody beats the packaging that we present to lenders. We know the questions that we need in order to pre-qualify it so that we can submit it in an expeditious fashion. And we also provide solutions to the lenders if they feel that it's a marginal deal. Because of our extensive knowledge in the industry, we can present to them solutions that they might not be able to come up with their own. We understand about cash flow and about add-backs because, again, people in our company have owned these businesses before. They've been jobbers. They've managed hundreds of locations. So we understand cash flow and we understand add-backs. And frequently add-backs are the things that will make or break a deal. And we know how to find these add-backs. Some other things that you might want to consider is we provide consulting. Once you become a PetroMAC client, you have access to 1 year of consulting. We also provide on-site consulting at a very competitive rate. We also offer the bank's assistance in finding buyers in case they have a situation where they have a closed location. We also assist the buyers that come to us that are looking for locations because we frequently know of sites that are for sale. We really would like to think that we're in the dealer success business and not just in the loan business. Some of the things that we have talked about before, or some of the things that I've mentioned before, this is not anything that you will ever have done for you at the bank because they don't know. They're not able to assist you in this manner. So, again, keep in mind, we are committed to you being successful. The petroleum business is a pennies game. Pennies will make you and pennies will break you. And as a business owner, there's only two ways really of making more money. You either have to increase revenues or decrease expenses. And that's all you can do. And we here at PetroMAC, because we know this business, we can help you find those pennies and either increase your revenues or decrease your expenses. So we hope that you will, regardless of which way you should decide to go, we believe this should be the clear choice and that you should have no other option. But whatever way that you go, we would like to wish you good luck in your endeavor and good luck in the petroleum retail business.